What's up, YouTube? Thanks for stopping by What's New Barbecue. I appreciate y'all for being here and for all the support throughout all the time that this barbecue journey has been going on. Today we're going to do something a little different. I actually was requested to make a Bloody Mary video, so that's exactly what we're going to do. We're out here on the back porch tonight, and I'm going to show y'all how to make a really simple but awesome Bloody Mary. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscription button and that bell right next to it so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. I'm ready for a Bloody Mary, guys. Let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do when you're making a really simple and flavorful Bloody Mary is you want to get your mug that you're using or your glass and take you a lime preferably, and just go all the way around the edges with that there, trying to build up a little bit of moisture on the lid there on the rim so we can take our seasoning that we're using North Texas Barbecue Addict all-purpose rub today. Use whichever one you want to use and just kind of roll it around in there, and that should help rim your glass with all that goodness, just like that. There we go, that'll work. And let me go ahead and reposition the camera and we'll build our Bloody Mary. Alright, let's build this Bloody Mary. Before we get going, I want to shout out my friend Julia Bailey. She actually requested that I do this video. She asked how I made my Bloody Marys, so this is what we're doing today. And again, we're keeping it simple. We've got some shrimp, we've got our lime that we've already started to use, a celery stick, and some pickles right there, some dill pickles, and we've got some sriracha right there, a little bit of sriracha. We've got some Worcestershire sauce, and use your vodka of choice, whatever you want to use, whatever you can get your hands on, of course. And my favorite Bloody Mary mix is the Uncle Dick's Top Dog, and I like the Just Heat, so the spicy one. Or actually, I'm sorry, Just Right, the spicy one. So we're gonna go ahead and start building our Bloody Mary. Let's go ahead and add our vodka first. And this is personal preference, however you want to build your Bloody Mary, how strong you want to make it, but that's one of the beautiful things about a Bloody Mary or a mixed drink. You can control how much you want to put in it. So we'll see what we do. Maybe a little splash more. There we go. And I put a little crushed ice in there already as well. We'll go ahead and go in with some sriracha, a little bit of sriracha for some heat, and some Worcestershire sauce. Just like that there. And our Bloody Mary mix. This is obviously what makes all of it taste amazing. Go ahead and top that off. That's going to mix it up well, just like that. And now I'm going to take some of our all-purpose rub and season these pickles up a little bit, just for a little extra pop of flavor on them, and this shrimp, just like that. Squeeze a little more lime juice in here, just like that. Right there. Get our shrimp right there. That's looking great. And again, this is simple, guys. You can build it how you want it. I'm actually going to leave a picture of a Bloody Mary that some of my friends on the North Texas Barbecue Addicts page, Jennifer and Jordan, they actually made an awesome Bloody Mary, so I'll leave their picture here at the end of the video so you can see that. But this right here is a, oh, losing our celery. This right here, top it off with a little extra sriracha, just like that. This right here is a perfect Bloody Mary. You can grab the shrimp, dip it in, take a bite, dip your celery, dip your pickles in. But this is our Bloody Mary for today, and again, we're keeping it simple. Let me make sure I got a close-up of that for y'all. That's what we're looking like, guys. We've got our shrimp, we've got our lime wedge, our pickle, our celery in there. Time to go ahead and give this a taste. Cheers, y'all. I'm gonna grab me a piece of this shrimp first. Dip it in. Dang, that's really good. It's got that bite from that sriracha. The first thing you taste is that seasoning on the glass, and then that sriracha, and then you get that Bloody Mary taste, that mix. That's awesome, guys. Got that lime juice in there. I'm gonna take me another swig. That'll do any day. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, finish this bad boy up. I appreciate y'all for stopping by What's New Barbecue and making this Bloody Mary with me. If you like this kind of stuff, leave me a comment in the comments down below and let me know, and I'll make some more drinks on here. But that's all I got, guys. Until next time, y'all keep on barbecuing.